Hey, want to know what database software is and how it's used? Let's see. To understand what database software is, let's think about a library. It's basically the same vast storage of information. The way books are lined up on shelves shows how this information is neatly organized, just like data in a database. Librarians play a crucial role here. They help everyone find exactly what they need and make sure that books are returned and shelved correctly. In the same way, database software organizes and manages data in databases, ensuring its proper storage, quick retrieval, and effective management. Just as librarians keep books well organized and easy to access. So, the main job of database software is to help you manage data. For instance, it lets you add new information whenever you need it. Think of it as entering a new contact into your phone. It also allows you to modify the existing information as easily as updating the contact's phone number. And if you no longer need specific information, database software can delete it. Moreover, database software can create detailed reports to help you track and analyze data trends and make well-informed decisions based on them. Database software can be divided into several types. Database management tools help you organize and operate databases and your actual data effectively. They usually have a user-friendly visual interface that makes your work easy. Database development tools are more complex. They help you manage the database lifecycle, namely build, test, optimize, and release entire databases. Data modeling tools assist in designing and visualizing database structures. This makes it easier to understand and adjust your database as needed. Data integration and ETL tools help retrieve and transform data from multiple sources into clean, well-structured, actionable information. Data security and backup tools shield your data from unauthorized access and offer regular backups and disaster recovery to prevent data loss. Automation tools are designed to reduce your manual work to a minimum by automating and scheduling recurring tasks with a few clicks. Reporting and business intelligence tools aggregate and visualize data using reports and charts. They help you make business decisions based on actionable data. Lastly, audit and compliance tools help you track, secure, and prove proper handling of data, especially sensitive and regulated data. Now that you know the types of database software, let's check a few best-known examples. SQL Server Management Studio, or SSMS, is a stock solution for those working with Microsoft SQL Server. It has a solid core feature set that can be further enhanced with add-ins. MySQL Workbench is the go-to solution for MySQL users, with a nice combination of database design, development, and administration tools. pgAdmin is the tool of choice for managing PostgreSQL databases. It's great for tasks ranging from SQL coding to more complex database management. Oracle SQL Developer is a standard tool of a similar caliber for Oracle database users. JetBrains DataGrip is a well-known cross-platform IDE. If you need to manage multiple database systems, this tool will prove helpful and versatile. DBeaver is another popular solution of an open-source nature with support for numerous databases. Finally, dbForge Edge is a multi-database solution that fits under nearly all categories of database software, helping manage every step of the database lifecycle. It also covers a variety of database systems, including SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and a number of related cloud systems. If you want to see database software at its most powerful, you may as well try dbForge Edge. Download it completely free of charge right now. Now that you know what database software is and what it's used for, it's time to give it a go.